Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Progressive pay per mile coverage, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up Progressive pay per mile coverage, begin by visiting the Progressive website. Navigate to the insurance section of the site. Select the option for auto insurance. Choose the pay per mile insurance coverage option. Click on the Get a Quote button to start the process. Enter your zip code in the provided field. Fill out the necessary personal information, including your name and date of birth. Input your vehicle information, including the make, model, and year. Provide details about your driving history, including any previous claims. Select the option indicating you drive less than a certain number of miles annually. Review the estimated rates that appear for the pay per mile coverage. Adjust any coverage options to fit your needs, such as adding roadside assistance. Once satisfied with the coverage options, proceed to the next step. Create an account by entering your email address and setting a password. Review all provided information for accuracy before completing the application. Submit your application for approval. Wait for confirmation from Progressive regarding your coverage. Once approved, you will receive details about your policy. Install the Progressive Tracker device in your vehicle if required. Keep track of your mileage using the Progressive app for accurate billing. Monitor your monthly statements to understand your costs. Adjust your driving habits or mileage as needed to optimize your coverage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.